Now question number 176. Inappropriately called chronic disease in aphorism 77. Question number 177. Friend of Health was published at Frank Jot in the year of 1792. The Medicine of Experience was written by Hahnemann. Question question number 179. The subject of anatomy physiology are not life but only result of life, said by डॉक्टर केंट ने कहा था कि जो एनाटॉमी फिजियोलॉजी ये लाइफ नहीं है लेकिन रिजल्ट ऑफ लाइफ है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 180. द सिक्स एडिशन ऑर्गन ऑफ कंसिस्ट ऑफ कितने एफोरिज्म थे? 291 एफोरिज्म था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 181. एनिमल magnetism, mesmerism are which aphorism in sixth edition of organon? Aphorism number 282, 289. Question number 182. Message in 290. Aphorism 290 message. Question number 183. Diet of acute disease. Aphorism number 262 to 263. Question number 184. The manuscript of sixth edition was left ready for by our master Hahnemann in the year of 1842. The homeopathic law of nature of provisional explanation is given under which section? Aphorism number 26 to 35. Question number 186. In case of 50 millisimal potency, the method of repetition of dose long lasting disease is daily, every day, every second day. Question 187. In case of intermittent fever where the pyrexia short is very short, medicine should be administered during decline the period of paroxysm. Question number 188. Alternating disease belonging to the domain of SORA. Question number 189. Psychotherapy indicated in which type of following mental disease? Answer is the mental disease are recent origin arising from psychogenic cause. Then question number 190. Assertion A. Suppression of eczema by local application has no produce colitis, asthma and bronchitis. Reason: SORA is the mother of all chronic disease. Answer is both A and R individually true, but R is not correct explanation of A. Question 191. List 1 and 2 are given below. Okay, correct one is this one. Psychotic dyspnea, worse rainy season, syphilitic, intolerance of heat, psoric, impatient, tubercular, fastidious. Question number 192. List 1 2 second. Answer is किसने कौन सी बुक लिखी थी? ए फेरिंगटन ने क्लिनिकल मटेरियलिटी लिखा था. बी में आर ई डी जियोन लेजर राइटिंग ऑफ हनीमैन लिखा था. स्टुअर्ट क्लॉस ने जीनियस ऑफ होम्योपैथी लिखी थी. एच ए रॉबर्ट ने प्रिंसिपल एंड आर्ट ऑफ क्योर बाय होम्योपैथी लिखी थी. फिलिप्स स्पाइटी ने कंप्रेशन ऑफ क्रॉनिक डिजीज लिखा था. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 193. मैच द लिस्ट. सर 193. एफोरिज्म नंबर 1 क्या कहता है? मिशन ऑफ फिजिशियन. एफोरिज्म नंबर 2 हाईएस्ट आइडियल ऑफ क्योर. एफोरिज्म नंबर 3 फिजिशियन क्वालिफिकेशन. एफोरिज्म नंबर 4 फिजिशियन लाइक टू बी प्रिजर्व हेल्थ, नो द थिंग्स ऑफ dearrange vital force, cause disease and their removal of the person in health. Then question number 194. Consider the following things which have the symptoms related to SORA miasm. Answer is C, 1, 3 and 4. Patient is intelligent and oversensitive, sensitive to noise, to light, to odor. And fourth one is all complaint aggravated in winter. Then question number 195. Logic of homeopathy based on both inductive and deductive logic. In case of intermittent fever, guideline of prescription are given in which aphorism? Question क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि मिशन जो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन है गाइडलाइन पे इंटरमिटेंट फीवर का, ये किस एवरेज में कहा गया है? ये 236 में कहा गया है। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 197, ओनली वन वाट ऑन लेफ्ट इंडेक्स फिंगर इज एन एक्सटर्नल वन साइडेड डिजीज। Question number 19. A repetitive part of book of Fragmentata de Veriveris Observatis mentioned in which part of organon? Second part. Disease can be cured by medicine in which similinum?